y'all, we are out here doing some fishing this morning and we just found some diving birds. The thing about, my phone's falling. The thing about diving birds is normally when you cast out into them, you're gonna get hit almost immediately. So, let's see if we can catch us a fish. There's a fish. A very small speckled trout. Definitely not what we're looking for. We need his grandpa. Got a trout. Little speckled trout. Let's get him unhooked and get back out there. We are fishing here under the birds, and that's what we like to see. Nice little trout. As soon as I casted my rod out, heck yeah.